Okay, so this video here is for the XT1 and XT2 series Cub Cadets. Um, Common issue down here in the front is these grease zerks will come out. They want like $8.99 for one of them on Amazon for the Cub Cadet brand ones. You can pick up these off from eBay, just a generic push-in. You can get them for like $7, and I think there's 5 in a pack. But we'll see if I can do this on camera right here. So what I'm doing, how I'm doing this, is, well, first, I made this bracket. All it is a little piece of metal, and I bent the end with these benders right here, and there's a hole in the end right here. You could drill a hole in, but this doesn't fit through it. It'll lock on there, but it doesn't fit through. So, what I was doing, alright, yep, you grab a pair of vice grips, and you go ahead and get it started up in there. You want to set these vice grips somewhere where you could smack them with a hammer a little bit. And right here, you just want to basically hold your end firm. Try to make all the shock go into the tip there. Get your tool out. Pop that beast on. Make sure everything's going in straight. Looks like we're going pretty good. And bam, we're in right there. I'm going to smack it one more time good. So close. Just must be about to that last rip. You do want to check these and make sure that you're in. It'll look like it's in and it ain't all the way in. So what I'm going to do, you want to make sure everything is lined up good. Smack it again. Right there, gave it a little bit more. Oh yeah, she's in right there. Bam. Now you fix your grease zerks, you save some money. Instead of replacing that whole assembly, you might as well just buy this kit. Yeah, you may struggle a little bit with it that way, but I promise you that the vice grips and this little tool right here, that's the way to go. And I'm smacking it back here. You can't see it, but I'm just smacking it just like that. And as I say, remember to guard your rim. I didn't do any damage to this one, but who knows? I don't want to be responsible for your damage. But right there, cheap, easy fix.